Choose the app that suits your requirements and download it for health tracking. This video demonstrates how to transfer test results from the meter to iFORA HM app. 1. Download iFORA HM app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Open iFORA HM app and turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Insert the 2 batteries provided in your kit. To open or close the meter cover, gently slide it. To enter setup mode, press both the right and left buttons simultaneously. Use the right or left button to select the correct year, then press M to save your choice. Repeat the above steps to set the month and day, followed by the hour and minute. To clear previous records from your meter, select Yes. If you wish to retain the records, select No. Adjust the volume by right-clicking to increase or left-clicking to decrease. For voice services, L1 corresponds to English, L2 to Spanish, and L3 to Chinese. Activate up to 4 reminder alarms by selecting On, or turn them off by selecting Off. Then set the hour and minute for each alarm. After completing the setup, ensure the coding strip number matches that of the meter and test strips. Wait for the meter to display CH. Please make sure the coding strip number matches that of the meter and test strips. Keep the coding strip until all test strips are used. For each box of test strips, you only have to confirm the coding strip number once. Open the device by twisting and removing the cap. Insert the lancet firmly. Twist off the safety disc from the lancet and set it aside. Replace and lock the cap by twisting. Cock the device by pulling the top until the release button turns orange. Adjust the puncture depth by selecting the appropriate setting on the tip. Check the expiration date before use. Ensure that the side of the test strip displaying the TCH wording is facing upwards when inserting it. Wait for the meter to display CH. First, clean and disinfect your hands. Then, clean and disinfect the test area using alcohol swabs if needed. Stimulate blood flow by rubbing the test site. Press the lanced area, then release it to obtain a blood sample. Discard the first drop of blood. Use the second drop for testing. Ensure a sufficient blood sample by squeezing the finger again. Hold the meter at an angle to absorb the blood without smearing it on the strip. Wait for 1 minute for the test result. Open the iFORA HM app and select Bluetooth Smart Meter under Setting. Remove the test strip to activate the Bluetooth function and data transmission. Pair the meter with your smartphone by selecting Add when the meter's name appears. Return to the setting page and tap Yes to save the meter pairing. Wait a few seconds for the data to transmit. The result will then appear. Access your test results on the Data page. If you prefer not to transmit the result every time you perform the test, you can refer to the following steps. Press the M button to power up your meter. Open the iFORA HM app, go to Settings, and select Bluetooth Smart Meter. In the app, connect the meter by tapping Add when you see the meter's name listed. Go back to the Settings menu and click Yes to save your meter's connection. Wait briefly for the data to transfer. Your results will appear shortly. You can view your test results on the app's data page. Properly dispose of the used lancet and test strip. Ensure the needle is safely covered with the safety disc. Confirm the control solution is for cholesterol strips. Shake the control solution well before use. Dispense a drop onto the control solution bottle cap. Insert a new test strip to turn the meter on. Absorb the drop with the meter held at an angle. Wait 1 minute for the result and compare it to the range on the test strip pack.